Kia, I'm Akbar Fazal from Property Brokers Palmerston North. Today I am introducing to you high-end family living right here in Hokowhitu suburb, 51 Marne Street. This spacious 4-bedroom brick home is pure luxury. Electric gate, centralized heating, motorized curtain and even central vacuum system. And the star of the attraction is outdoor fireplace and a barbecue zone for year-round entertainment. That's enough from me. There is much more to discover here. Let's go inside, have a look. To experience luxury living in Hokowhitu, ring me now.